Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I want to show you how to customize your ChatGPT. So let's say you're using ChatGPT and it has those extra questions that you just don't feel like answering every single time, right? You would think ChatGPT would know, right? But anyway, so what you want to do is you're going to download the ChatGPT desktop application. I'm going to put it in the link description below. But on the top right there, you're going to hit that and you want to go to customize ChatGPT. Now, this helps you on mobile and it helps you on the desktop app. So just make sure you're signed in. This is your primary account. So what should ChatGPT call you? You give your nickname, bam, Aqua, you already know. What do you do? IT desktop support. Y'all know me. I'm in the mix like Check Mix. Okay, it says what traits should ChatGPT have? Now they have a lot of different things here. You could probably ChatGPT the ChatGPT of the ChatGPT to be like, yo, what should I put for this anyway? You know what I'm saying? Put it on mobile just so you can put something a little bit more accurate. But I just kind of did it just to see like what it would do for the future. But yeah, you can do random things here and just tell it what to do. It says anything else ChatGPT should know about you. So this is just telling you about itself. And once again, you get ChatGPT, the memories, be like, what do you think I should say that ChatGPT should know that you know already about me to put in here, and then that's good there too. You hit advanced, it shows ChatGPT capabilities. So web search you want, code you want, canvas you want, advanced voice. Now, if you didn't know, you can do coding. If you didn't know, it has a canvas where it has your workspace, your work, your text, your coding, your images, things that are kind of on your white chalkboard on the right side while you have your text prompts on the left. You have advanced voice, so that's the AI mode that you can talk to, and it has advanced mode. I am going to make a video on every single one of those, so stay tuned. I definitely in the mix for all of those. And enable for new chats, and make sure you save right after. And next thing you know, X out of it, X backs into it. And hey, Aqua, ready to dive in? We are. All right, if you have any other questions about this, let's get it, let's go. And I'm going to see you on the next video. Peace.